Hi, I'm Casey Milker in the Hydro-Tek Marketing Department. Today I'm excited to share with you the new redesign of the HN Series natural gas pressure washers. Before we started this project, we got a lot of customer feedback about which features were most important to you, the customer. The main ones were maintenance and serviceability in tight areas. We listened to this feedback, which resulted in the open frame design. Today, we're going to go over some of the features that make this machine easy to maintenance and service.
The open frame design allows for quick access to all major components. Stainless steel panels and coil cover protect the vital components of the equipment and are easily removed, allowing access to the belts. Self-captivating nuts hold the bolts on and eliminate the need to get a wrench on the back side of the panel. Adjusting belt tension is simple using the new Easy Align system. Simply loosen the bolts on the side of the pump rail and adjust the bolt on the side of the frame. The NEMA 4 control box houses the electrical components. It is easy to access and has plenty of room inside to perform maintenance. The ignition module is mounted to the back of the panel and is easily accessed by lifting the stainless steel cover. These models are dual voltage, capable of being run on 230 volt or 208 volt single phase power by flipping the switch on the back of the control panel. The bypass cool system circulates the water back to the float tank while the system is in bypass, protecting the pump from overheating. The gas valve is conveniently located where it is easy to access for installation and maintenance. The terminal plugs allow for quick troubleshooting by hooking up test equipment to test for power at the gas valve. All the burner components can be removed in 3 easy steps. First, disconnect the terminal wires. Second, undo the ignition wires from the bottom of the burner. Then remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding the burner ring in place. The entire assembly will drop out. The coil can easily be removed in less than 10 minutes by taking off the stainless steel cover. It only needs to be lifted a few inches with a forklift or engine lift before sliding out the side.
This has been a brief overview of some of the key features on the new redesigned HN Series natural gas pressure washers. For more information, please contact our sales department. Thank you from all of us at Hydro-Tek.